Next up, we are going to work on your time block. If you're not familiar with this concept, this might seem a little bit weird or unusual to you, but it's really actually pretty simple. In your book, in your workbook, and attached to this course, we've got a sample time schedule for you and a sample of what a time block might look like. Let's download or find that right now and take the time for you to go through that and insert the key essential activities that are essential for you in your real estate business. We're also going to give you a list of some things to consider that top real estate professionals make time for. The first thing I want you to time block is your miracle morning, which we talked about earlier. What time are you going to get up? This is your first negotiation of the day. What time are you going to get up? You get to decide that. You're the one who sets your alarm. Set it for a time that you're actually going to get up and enthusiastically, joyfully take on the day, because you planned your day last night, right? We talked about that in terms of your miracle morning. But you need to plan out your day so that you know exactly what's going to be expected of you, so that you plan your time, your most valuable non-renewable resource, and your energy. You've got to make sure that you are planning sufficient time around all of your activities. If the weather is bad, you've got time safely to get from where you are to where you need to be. And so I want you to download or locate those documents right now and start putting together your time block. We're definitely going to address this in our weekly calls and in our support of you. But again, this is your work. This is going to be your schedule, and it will be the valuable tool that it can be in your life if you'll get into the habit of using it right now.